Hi guys, and welcome here on Hello Gorgeous by S YouTube channel. In today's video we're gonna unbox the new, just landed SOS Skincare Beauty Box by Next Beauty. SOS Skincare Beauty Box is retailed for £20 and worth over £55. Inside we will find full-size products, travel-size products and sample-size products. In the total value of a box, the sample-size products are not counted, which is great. Okay, beautiful people, let's find out what is hiding inside of a SOS Skincare Beauty Box. First, we find the leaflet with information about all the products that we have inside. And the first product I took out is an eye mask from the brand Skimono. I hope I spell it right. Radiance Recovery 4C, Plumping Collagen, Calming Chamomile, Refreshing Cucumber, Firming Vitamin C Eye Mask. This eye mask will help reduce dark circles and puffiness, will help soften fine lines, will moisturize, and will brighten complexion for a more radiant glow. Never tried this brand before, until now. Second product that we get is from one of my favorite brands, Dermalogica Daily Microfoliant. Is a exfoliating powder that needs to be mixed with water, and with the obtained paste you need to wash your face. Is an amazing product for oily and combination skin types. I don't recommend to use it daily, maybe a bit too much for your skin, but yes, is a great product that will polish and will smooth your skin. Third, we find a sample from Clinique, Smart Clinical Repair Wrinkle Correcting Serum. This serum will firm, will rehydrate the skin, and will plump fine lines. Clinique is a great brand, I hope I will like this serum. Fourth, we have a well-known product from Este Lauder, Advanced Night Repair Synchronized Multi-Recovery Complex Face Serum. I used this serum in the past and was a very good product. The next day my skin looked radiant and hydrated. Only good things about this face serum. Fifth, we find a travel size product from Elemis, Advanced Skincare Herbal Lavender Repair Mask. Is a clay mask that will soothe the skin and will purify dull skin. Is ideal for sensitive, blemish-prone skin. Sixth, we find another face mask by the brand Glam Glow this time. Is called Super Mud Clearing Treatment. This face mask targets blemishes, excess oil and vanish imperfections. I heard a lot of good things about the brand Glam Glow, especially about the clay face masks, that they are great. Obvious, this face mask is not designed for my dry skin, but I have a very good friend who I think will like it. Seventh product is from the brand This Works, Stress Check Kind Hands, Soothing Hand Cream for dry, overwashed hands. I know this product very well, I tried it in the past and it's lovely. It has a nice lavender scent, is super nourishing, is absorbing fast into the skin, is a vegan and cruelty-free product, which again is great. Yes, I am happy with this hand cream. My hands need it. And the last product that we find is from the brand Balance Me, Wonder Eye Cream. This eye cream contains 100% natural ingredients, is vegan and cruelty-free. I am curious to try this eye cream, especially that my Banana Bright eye cream is nearly finished, and I can squeeze this eye cream in my skincare routine. I remember that I tried a face serum from the brand Balance Me and was good. I hope that this eye cream will be good too. Okay, beautiful people, here are all the products from the SOS Skincare Beauty Box. I am curious to know your opinion about the products found inside. If you try them, if you like them, if you liked this beauty box, let me know. I will be happy to read your comments. And this was today's video. I hope you like it. A huge thank you for watching and see you soon. Bye!